By the powers vested in me as Pro-Chancellor, I declare this congregation open for the awarding of degrees and diplomas for the University of South Wales. I'd like to invite our Acting Deputy Vice-Chancellor, Professor Martin Stegall, to speak. Please be seated, everyone.
Bordar, Croeso I Gyd. Welcome to the University of South Wales and to this, our graduation ceremony. Here at the city of Newport, our roots were laid down in 1841, an institution set up by industry to raise aspiration and bring education to workers in the region. We are, of course, long past those founding moments, but much of the vision, set almost 200 years ago, remains today. Our university is proud that it works in partnership with business, industry and the public sector, preparing people for work and future careers that we hope will allow individuals to reach the heights of their talent. And as I look at you all here today, looking fantastic in your grounds and so happy to have reached this point in celebration, I don't see a crowd. I see individuals, distinctive people with your own character and reasons for being here. Some of you will have joined us straight from school or college, others already in work and wanting to upskill, and there are those of you that have taken the brave step to move your lives from another country. And for some of you, this may not be the end of your journey with us. Recently, I spoke to an alumnus of the university who had completed 6 degrees with us, so be careful. We can be a very difficult place to leave. What I also see in every graduation ceremony is talent and opportunity. We live in a complex world that isn't always easy to navigate. We also live in a world that evidently needs to change. We need people who can effect positive and real change, people who aren't satisfied with the way things are. You will need to face the future courageously, to challenge and innovate, be inclusive and work within your communities to create a society which is more equal without doing damage to our environment or the well-being of others. The world expects so much more from you as graduates, and I know that seems like a big ask. That doesn't mean we're asking you to single-handedly change the world. You can be that change in your chosen profession, be that in your hospital, your school, your company, or your immediate team. Big change is usually an aggregate of small ones. We have a proverb in Wales which derives from the legends of the Mabinogion, the story of Branwen. Aphone ben bid bont. Whoever would be a leader, let them be a bridge. You will have been that bridge. You will have inspired one another, listened to each other, cajoled each other to reach heights not possible alone. I also know that many of you will have created memories and friendships that will last a lifetime. As I welcome you today to our community of graduates, I would like to remind you that in any good community, we draw on others for support, to challenge us where we aren't doing the right thing, to guide us and advise us on making difficult decisions, and to make us feel like we belong. I like to think that the University of South Wales is underpinned by our values of being professional, inspiring, creative, responsive and collaborative, that our intentions as a community are good, to help you change your life and our world for the better. And we hope that we have given you the knowledge, skills and resilience to do just that. Life is not straightforward, and we all have bumps in the road. So as well as having the talent and passion to pursue your dreams, be pragmatic enough to give yourself a break. Don't fret too much when things don't go as planned. Take a breath, draw on your intellect, and then reflect before trying again. It's just a moment in your life and career. And today is an important moment in your life. Today we celebrate your achievements. During your time at USW, you've been part of a faculty that has demonstrated the impact that USW can have. As our students, you have helped shape the future of our own campuses, bringing your creativity to the interiors of the new Calon building and gaining valuable experience of professional practice. Our students have supported access to justice through our legal advice clinic, which continues to make a difference to local communities after 13 years of service. Our students provide free advice to hundreds of clients and contributing to projects supporting people facing homelessness or representing themselves at tribunal. In Cardiff, our creative students have brought people together through the Immersed Festival, delivering a sell-out cultural event with industry partners, a strong commitment to sustainability and national recognition for innovation and community impact. These achievements speak powerfully of what you've been part of here. A university that asks you not only to learn, but to use that learning to change lives, places and communities for the better. Your job for today is to feel proud of yourself, to look fabulous and to take lots of photos and maybe even shed a tear or two. To help in that, I also have an ask of everyone sitting behind you. Your job is to make sure that whenever your family member or friend walks across the stage, they are in no doubt of how proud you are of them. You can do that in any way you want, by clapping loudly, by shouting their name, by whistling or whooping. All are legitimate. In fact, all are absolutely required. But before we celebrate you, I want to pause and recognise something very important. No one reaches a day like this entirely on their own. Behind every graduate here today, there will be people who have helped to make this moment possible. For many of you, that support will have come from families and friends who have stood beside you through the highs and difficult days. They may have supported you financially, morally, spiritually, or simply by believing in you when you needed it most. They have made sacrifices, offered encouragement, listened with patience, and reminded you why this journey mattered. So today is also their day. It is a day for those who have travelled alongside you, proudly and lovingly, and who share in the joy of seeing you reach this stage. I also want to recognise the people of the University of South Wales who have supported your journey. Here on the stage and across the campuses, our academic colleagues bring innovation, industry-relevant and career-focused teaching into your courses, helping you to connect knowledge with practice and ambition with opportunity. And alongside them are our professional services colleagues, whose work is sometimes less visible but absolutely essential. They support students, care for our campuses, keep our services running, and help create the student experience that allows learning, belonging, and success to happen. To all of those colleagues, academic and professional services alike, thank you for the part you have played in helping our graduands reach this proud moment. Graduands, I'm now going to ask you to do something. If you are able, please stand. Please look around the room, and that includes behind you, and show your appreciation for the families, friends, teachers, and professional services staff who have helped you reach this day. Let us give them the applause they so richly deserve. Thank you, graduates. Please be seated. There weren't very many whoops in there, so I think the audience, you're going to have to see if you can outdo the graduates. And so in closing, as you walk across the stage here today and collect your award and doff your hat to the Pro-Chancellor, I want you to hold one word at the forefront of your mind: pride, in Welsh, balchta. Be proud of your achievement. Be proud of your potential for great things. Be proud of yourself and who you are, and not who others want you to be. You will always be part of our University of South Wales family. We are, and always will be, very proud of each and every one of you. Diolch yn fawr. Thank you very much.
Pro-Chancellor, I present to the congregation the Faculty of Business and Creative Industries candidates that have been awarded the Master of Arts in Animation. Sinjana Nitin Apte. The Master of Arts in Arts, Health and Wellbeing, Lara Balcom. Lei Sung Chung. Charmaine Clements. Catherine Henderson. Pauline Libritton. Joanne Perry. The Master of Arts in Film Production Management, Sophia Legg. The Bachelor of Arts in Animation, 2D and Stop Motion, Rory Cairns. Joshua Huntley. Maisie Elizabeth Jones. Chloe Martin. Leonor Nevitt Goncalves. Kelsey Orkney. Madison Priest. Adriana Romans. April Shakespeare. Alexander Sherwood. Olivia Sidri. Jodie Taylor. Owen Williams. Pebble Woodman. The Bachelor of Arts in Art Practice at Merthyr Tydfil College, Hannah Gwyneth Charnley. Amy Davis. Caitlin O'Connor. Keris Mary Rees. Tamsin Rumbold. The Bachelor of Arts in Audio Production and Songwriting in Coleg Gwent, Cross Keys, Chloe Louise Holly. Connor Jones. Sean Mitchell. Michael Siddle. The Bachelor of Arts in Computer Animation, Ella Bindon. Jodie Clifton. Darcy Rose Edwards. Dilshan Mohan Hettige Don. Praveen Ranjana Jayasinghe. Ariane Call. Hannah Lewis. Seren Marsh McGee. Isa Nauman. Chun Tong Ng. James Thompson. Kurt Winter. Jack Wright. The Bachelor of Arts in Computer Games Design, Tristan Bevan. Ruby Davenport. Lucy John Lewis Davis. Kacper Dudek. Neve Eads Black. Kian Johnson. Jordan Morris. Dylan Parry. Adrian Plonder. Ashton Starkey. Carwyn Thomas. Victor Nigel Timmerton. Robin Tucker. Jonathan Wiseman. The Bachelor of Arts in English and Creative Writing, Lewis Evans. Vincent Foxgold. Samantha Lasky. Andrea Moisesova. Jack Rogers. Chloe Marie Summers. The Bachelor of Arts in Film, Camden Asur. Ruby Bevan. Connor Byrne. Archie Carter. Tariq Kettin. Alexander Joseph Collins. Liam Courtney. Daisy DeGama Howells. Oliver Dennett. Rhys Evans. George Falloon. Owain Funnell. Ella Glennon. Sophie Goodman. Jack Harron. Gethin Hoosen. Alexandra Howells. Toby Huckett. Caris Hughes. Daisy Jacoby. Eve Jones. Bartolome Cargill. Julia Chilczykowska. Ines Major. James Mates. Olivia Muller. Dakota Naylor. Amanda Papanka. Ben Phillips. Evan Prosser. Ahan Rajani. Jackson Reardon Smith. Ashley Bastila Richards. Dominic Small. Seriam Fu Sonawa. Melissa Taylor. Florence Tunstall. Rebecca Turner. Benjamin Walters. Kieran Trevor Walther. Abigail Williams. Jodie Ann Williams. John Zander Williams. Zhenjiang Wang. The Bachelor of Arts in Game Arts, Brynna Addo. Sahara Blamain. Alicia Connett. Hannah Crow. Mary Alice Damon. Catherine Ida. Ewan Giles. Nicola Goddard. Katia Harper. Michael Jode. William Kwan. Tegan Madden. Emily Mead. Alicia Murrell. James Podmore. Louisa Powell. Charlie Tresadden. Toby Welsh. Oliver White. Melody Ray Woolley. The Bachelor of Arts in Graphic Communication, Jack Cave. Oliver Clutton Latham. Radha Dev. James Edwards. Aidan Hayes. Niwish Wajai. Mama, sorry. Abigail Masoki. Isabella McCarthy. Callie Morgan. Tyler Morgan. Mia Pope. Lucy Richards. Bobby Robertson. Neve Robinson. Isaac Rowley. Isabel White. The Bachelor of Arts in History, Matt Henton. Lee Curtis Ignair. Liam Martin. Christopher Parry. Madison Stanton. The Bachelor of Arts in Illustration, Kira Barr. Rowan Bendel. Ilea Bondry. Charis Bunny. Dylan Caswell. Malachi Connolly. Daniel Davis. John Dorling. Sophie Ordstoil-Durham. Rebecca Evans. Thomas Evans. Madeleine Gardner. Ryan George. Lucy Gibbons. Keris Gibson. Brianna Gethuka. Elena Gould. Theon Griffiths. Alicia Page Griffiths Angel. Kelsey Grunewald. Seren Guest. Tegan Hall. Irma Sofia Jaro Winaro. Leah Jones. Leonie Jones. Fiona Koiker. Sinead Port. Sarah Roberts. Polly Rowbottom. Jolie Sherritt. Adam Thomas. Matthew Viney. Inessa Vikauskater. Kalia White. Hammond Yee. The Bachelor of Arts in Illustration for Industry, Coleg Gwent Cross Keys, Christiana Arnold. Lily Davis. Annabelle Jones. Kelly Rose Landy Redding. The Bachelor of Arts in Interior Design, Rahek Al-Juabre. Ferdinand Alad Morgan. Charlotte Atkinson. Sarah Ben Saud. Marin Boddington. Yahia Jipai. Ella Kavanagh. Philip Lekauswitz. Shannon McCann. Samantha Priest. Olivia Rosie Trewin. Natalie Wiggett. And Keris William Griffiths.
Fy wnawn ni glywed ddatganiad cerddorol gan fyfwyr o Goleg Brenhinol Cerdd a Drama Cymru. We will now hear a musical interlude by the students from the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. Our National Conservatoire is part of the wider USW family. These talented performers will graduate with bachelor and master's degrees from the University of South Wales, and we congratulate them warmly. Llong cyfarchiadau. While our performers take a brief moment to set up, please enjoy this short film celebrating the university's impact over the last year.
The Bachelor of Arts in Media Production, Freya Bransden. Niamh Casey. Eleanor Coulson-Day. Connor Daniels. Ariane Davis. Rhys Davis. Alex Dixon. Ava Bridget Evans. Cerys Gage. Dylan Green. Jessica Hannigan-Jones. Emily Harris. Thomas Howe. Luca Jevons. Isabel Ann Jones. Jack Knowles. Thomas Lawrence. Carla Lonergan. Amelia Lonsdale. Evie Lowe. Oliver Rees-Paintner. Kieran Pullen. Brannin Randall. Dylan Thomas. John Williams. Joshua Williams. The Bachelor of Arts in Media, Culture and Journalism, Cerys Bevans. Molly Ellis Gale. Evie Fear. Alexander Gatehouse. James Littlejohns. The Bachelor of Arts in Music Business, Marcus Evans. Keris Hobbs. Kian Isaac. Kendra Jones. Astrid Morwood. Emily Powell Chandler. Tia Sandhu. Rupert Thompson. Estelle Trohill. The Bachelor of Arts in Music Producing, Alexander Borhurst. Rupert Bell. Tyler Blake. Caris Bromham. Patrick Robert Bullock. Lewis Carter. Owain Davis. Rowan Edwards. Jilly Finney. Curtis Fisher. James Joseph Alexander Gardner. Ewan James Hurd. Nathan Jones. Finn Martin Jones. Frederick Norton. Richard Nolan. Dawson Phillips. Johan Edward Robson. Cameron Taylor. Alistair Thompson. Matthew Way. Clear Williams. The Bachelor of Arts in Performance and Media, William Collins. Alexander Davis. Hannah Fox. Daisy Lou Gallagher. Zingui Go. Melissa Grinter Phelps. Madison Hamilton. Darwin Rao Subramani. Rhys Walby. Lewis Wesson. Natania Wogan. The Bachelor of Arts in Popular and Commercial Music, Alicia Billington. Thomas Cheshire. Joel Davis. Megan Davis. Catherine Ailey. Charlie Flack. Kaylin Hames. Ryan Higgs. Aaron Jones. Jessica Kempson Molyneux. Rosie Knight. Saskia Mapp. Bethan Owen. Emily Powis. Anastasia Rodchenko. Willem Saraf. Frederick Willis. Joseph Wyatt. The Bachelor of Arts in Sports Journalism, Michael Addison. Callum Buckle. Max Drinkwater James. Ethan Harris. Jacob William Hastings. Samuel Hill. Dylan Makisak. Elliot Parker. Ben Thomas. Archie Tooth. Harry Tovey. And now we have the Bachelor of Arts in Television and Film, Hair, Makeup and Special Effects at Coleg y Cymoedd Nant Garw. Sasha Simone Bevan. Ellie Louise Kinsey. Ellie Mae Locking. Emily Danielle Wood. the Bachelor of Arts in Television and Film Set Design, Will Barlow. Lauren Blagden. Ren Leonore Blues. Ellie Burton. Anna Chona Hayes. Camila De Souza. Stanley Dearson. Scarlett Franklin Smith. Daisy Giver. Sophia Hardy. Dylan Hayward. Nathaniel Jones. Katie Leighton Smith. Sia Mason. Evie Mayer. Ella Perryman. Summer Turnbull. And Sam Volbracht. The Bachelor of Arts in Television and Film Prop Making, Coleg y Cymoedd Nant Garw, Bethany Bullock. Elizabeth Louise Evans. Jacques Lorenz. Bethan Morgan. Anton Peterson. Leah Taylor. The Bachelor of Arts in Theatre and Drama, Christian Bevan. Seren Bielski. Casey Birch. Phoebe Cordy. Daniel James Craven. Bronwyn Dobbs. Sophie Evans. Bruce Gilmore. Christina Grady. Leara Hunt. Jamie Jackson. Isabel Jennings. Victoria Lees. Henry Morgan. Owen Phillips. Eleanor Shipton. Ewan Rees-Smith. Megan Tuck. Levi Veron. Ella Worrell. The Bachelor of Arts in Visual Effects and Motion Graphics, Thomas Brack. Robert Daniel Fish. Thomas Groves. Bradley Hutt. Caitlin Hyatt. Daniel Smith. Reuben Stowmasters. And Fionn Vernon. The Bachelor of Science in Sociology, Erin Davis. Freya Howes. Kellen Jenkins. Casey Mears. Vanda Piechkiewicz. Justina Stolaska. Caitlin Wybrow. And Dylan Williams. The Bachelor of Science in Sound, Lighting and Live Event Technology, Morgan Davis. Tyler Haynes. Samuel Hughes. Hannah Ruth Maiden. Louis Miles. Lewis Minty. Marshall Morris. Gabriel Pugh. Reese Simpson. Lawrence van den Berg. And William Wright. The Foundation Degree in Arts and Esports, Merthyr Tydfil College, Joel Jones. Brogan Thomas. The Foundation Degree in Arts in Games, Art and Design at Coleg Gwent in Cross Keys, Ethan Brace. The Foundation Degree in Arts and Illustration, Keris Davis. Mason Matthew Smith. Andrea Stonelake. Chelsea Webb. The foundation degree in Arts in Media Production, Coleg Gwent, Cross Keys, Paris Paul. The Diploma in Higher Education Sports Journalism, Matthew Skinner. The Diploma of Higher Education Television and Film Set Design, Alice Clements. And finally, the Master of Arts in Film Screenwriting, Christian Saavedra. The Bachelor of Science in Sound, Lighting and Live Event Technology, Hugh Furness. The Bachelor of Arts in Theatre and Drama, Casey Birch. The Bachelor of Science in Sociology, Priscilla Sarpong. The Bachelor of Arts in Interior Design, Asma Terok Zakul. The Bachelor of Arts in Popular and Commercial Music, Pauline Banda. The Bachelor of Arts in Illustration for Industry, Coleg Gwent Cross Keys, Caris King. The Bachelor of Arts in Computer Animation, Scott Woodland. And I think this is finally the Foundation Degree in Arts and Media Production, Coleg Gwent Cross Keys, Cameron Lee. Pro-Chancellor, that concludes the awards for the Faculty of Business and Creative Industries.
Congregation, colleagues, friends, guests, and most importantly, graduates, Bore da pawb. There's been a lot of cheering this morning. Well done, well done. I don't think I've smiled so much, but it's such a happy and joyous occasion, and I'm so pleased to be able to be here today to share it with you. Graduation is more than a formal academic ceremony. It is, of course, a celebration of your perseverance, of growth, and the promise of what comes next. Today marks a significant milestone in your life, and it's a moment of immense pride for all of us gathered here. To the parents, partners, families, friends in the audience, this is your day too. You've offered encouragement during late night study sessions, reassurance during moments of doubt, and unwavering support throughout their journey. Your role in today's success cannot be overstated, so please join me in giving them a heartfelt round of applause. For us, as your academic community, this is the high point of the university year, when we see the fruits of the dedication, resilience and hard work. And I'd like to pay tribute to the over 2,500 members of staff at this remarkable university. They have taught, mentored, supported, fed, counselled, and occasionally nudged our students along the way. The commitment to student success is at the heart of everything we do. So let us take a moment to thank them for their tireless efforts. But today, above all, it's about you, our new graduates. You have achieved something extraordinary. You've not only mastered your subjects, but you've also developed the ability to think critically, challenge assumptions, engage with complex issues in a spirit of respect and curiosity. These are timeless skills essential in every walk of life. And we are proud that the education you have received here is highly valued by employers. But more than that, we are proud of the way it transforms lives, your lives, and the communities which you will go on to serve. At the University of South Wales, we believe in nurturing not just skilled professionals, but thoughtful, engaged citizens. As you step into the next chapter of your lives, we hope you carry with you the values of integrity, inquiry, and compassion. As alumni, you are now ambassadors for this incredible university and the ideals we stand for. Wherever your journey takes you, we hope you'll stay connected, continue to grow, and inspire others as you've inspired us. Congratulations to each and every one of you. Our warmest wishes goes with you for your continued success and happiness. Thank you. Joc yn fawr. That's the best applause I've ever had. Anyway, I now declare this degree congregation of the University of South Wales closed. May I please invite all of you who are able to stand for the national anthem.